Hello, welcome back again into my channel. So I just want to share with you just a simple and one of the way to change the text inside the button, or probably you can do this with the other element too, which has a text. So here is the thing. I have the button here, as you can see. I will zoom in, and if I click this button, I want to change the text using the CSS content attribute. So I will show you how. Let's delete first. I'm gonna delete this first. Okay. The first is you add a. I'm gonna add the button, and just empty the text, and then put some classes, specific class for that particular button. And then let's see, I'm gonna change to the medium, and right, wait, sorry, you go to the attribute and add attribute something like data title, and then this is the default value of your button. So let's say show advanced search. Alright, and then on CSS you just need to add a Pesudo class, which is the content attribute attr, and the data title is your attribute name. So this is your attribute name. Put it here. As you can see, I have like the text inside the button. Now, okay, let's take a look at the front end. See, the text is displayed by the pseudo before using the content attr, and this is our data title, the attribute name, and this is our attribute value. And then let's add some interaction into that button. So let's just copy this because I will target this. Go to the interaction, and the first thing is we are gonna set the attribute data title into the second text when I click. So if I click advanced, oops, sorry, I will reload first. Oops, okay. I think I already delete that button. Why it's still showing up? wait, why it's still showing up? We reload the canvas. Not sure. Probably it's it's attached into my class name before. Not sure, but now there is no interaction here. So this one is good. Oh yeah, I already attached to the class name. See, I will delete this first. Okay. Alright, so the first thing is you're gonna set the attribute. So the data key is the attribute name, data title into the second text. So let's say close. Target is not self, probably self. We can use self that. Let's try it. Advanced search. When I click, okay, it change, the text change, but when I click again it doesn't change. So I have to add another. So let's just duplicate it, and let's change into the default text, which is advanced search. This should be work probably. Nope. That's what I thought. The second step is actually adding a class name into our button. So when I click, let's say set attribute, not attribute, we are toggle attribute. The key is class. We are gonna add class name into self. Yep, The value is let's say to show. Okay, let's take a look at the front end. When I click this, it should change our text to close and add a class name, which is to show. Okay, the data title is changed to close, and then I have a new class name to show. That's right. Okay, if I click again, the to show is removed, but data title is still close. I need to duplicate the first, and then okay, just change the value into the first our initial text, which is advanced search, and then the target is the CSS selector. This is our class name for button, and add a class name which added by the toggle interaction. So to show, so it will target to show to set the data title to advanced search. So from close, because if we click it, it will has the button will has a class name to show, and then it will target it by this interaction and it will change the text from close to advanced search. Probably something like that. Let's test it. Let's click. Not there. Wait. Oops. The title close advanced search. Wait. Primary to show. Okay. I think I have a, okay, this one is to show, value to show. I think I need to change the CSS selector not to self, or oh wait, this one. Okay, not to self, but the CSS selector of the button class name. Okay, because if I target the self, then it will target the probably something like conflict between the two interaction. CSS selector, right? The first, we are gonna set the data title to close, targeting our button class name. The second is self, target self, click set attribute close. Okay, no, I think the order is matter, yeah. The order, I think it's matter. Click set attribute data title close to self, not to self, but to filter button to show. Yep, something like this. Yep. CSS selector. Click self. Okay, so add class to show to self, and let's see advanced. Click close. Oops. Wait. To show. I think the order is very matter. So like click. Oh. Value close. No. Okay, sorry. This should be advanced search. Probably something like that. Close, advance, close, advance, close, advance, close, advance. Yep, that's really cool. So I think this is work. So let's I'm gonna add another interaction for a show element. CSS selector. I think I have to show this one, filter property, to showing the filter of my property list property. Not show, but toggle attribute clash show CSS selector. Yep, something like this. Yep, see, it's not really bad. But the minus point is if you need to change the text, translate the text. I'm not sure if you can do that. But if you only need one language for the text, I think you can do this. It's not gonna affect to the CEO much because it's only the button text, but probably there will be a consequence like accessibility or anything like that, but I'm not sure. I have not dig it up, so you can just like search for yourself. So this is only today for today's video. As usual, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, suggestion, or whatever you think you want to ask, you can just write in a comment box down below. And thanks for watching. Once again, happy coding everyone. See you, bye bye on my next video.